Hi kids, I'm Danny the Dinosaur. Today we will talk about tractor and an excavator. Now pay attention, and if you answer all the questions, we will open this little secret box. Oh boy, I wonder what's in there. Are you ready? Then let's bounce.
Clever little dinosaur, Danny knows a lot for sure. Danny reads a lot of books, dreams be smarter even more. Clever Danny, it's so funny to explore. Clever Danny, pretty little dinosaur.
Look kids, it's a tractor. Tractor's got big rear wheels and a powerful motor. It can drive on almost any surface, but even though tractors are big and powerful, they're very slow. A tractor can come with a carriage and carry the goods. If a car has broken down or got stuck, tractor can easily tow it away. Tractors can be of any color, but they're usually red. Bright red makes it more visible. And this is an excavator. It kind of looks like a tractor, only it's got a big scoop. Excavator uses the scoop to dig holes in the ground and to load a truck. Instead of the scoop, excavator can also use a drill to make holes in the ground to get water, much like so. Excavators can be of different colors. Usually, they're yellow, but the scoop is usually dark. Now let's play and see how well you remembered everything. Let's find the red tractor. Is this the red tractor? No, this one is green. How about this one? It's not a tractor, it's an excavator. And how about this one? Yep, it's a red tractor. And now, let's help the excavator load the truck. So now we must find the path that leads to the truck. Let's see. Does this road lead to the truck? No. Maybe we should take this route instead. No, this route leads us to the tractor. It must be this one. Yep, that's the one. Great job, kids. You've done great today. Come on, let's open up the secret box. Wow, it's a pretty picture, but it's drawn the wrong way. Come on, let's have a look and make it right. Look at the excavator. What's wrong with it? Yep, it's upside down. We should turn it over. And what's the trouble with tractor? Does a tractor have a scoop? Nope. Excavator should have a scoop. Is everything all right now? No. Look at the tractor's roof. Is that a prop? But how come? Tractors don't fly. Is it okay now? Yep. Great job, kids. Come back again soon, kids. There's so much more to learn. See you later. Bye-bye.